Welcome to 67 Addley Crescent, an immaculate 3+1 bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms that enjoys a prime location within the Westney Heights neighbourhood of Central West Ajax. Situated on a premium-sized 39 by 101 foot lot, this home features an interlocking walkway to a covered front porch with archways, a fully finished lower level, and a backyard that is ideal for summertime entertaining. Opening into a gracious entrance foyer, to the left is the entry into the sunken family room. This casual entertaining space has direct access to the kitchen and features an oversized window with custom draperies, the coziness of a wood-burning brick fireplace, and the finishing warmth of beautiful oak hardwood floors, which are also found in the open concept formal living and dining rooms across the main hallway. Both of these generously sized entertaining spaces are elegantly finished with crown moldings, and their north and south facing picture windows fill them with soft natural lighting, while the 2 accent windows in the living room and a chandelier with medallion in the dining area allow for additional ambient brightness. Crisp and clean, the kitchen is filled with classic white finishes, including the flooring and backsplash, the appliances and double sink, as well as the cabinetry. A dark-colored countertop provides a striking contrast, while the ceiling panel lighting and neutral wall color enhance the brightness of this wonderful workspace. Natural lighting additionally brightens the breakfast area, and from here is the walkout to the fully fenced backyard, which features a 260 square foot 2-tiered deck with a gazebo and built-in benches, offering plenty of outdoor entertaining space. The staircase has the timeless appeal of oak hardwood treads and railing with white risers and spindles, and carries to an upper level with cozy broadloom throughout the hallway and the 3 bedrooms. All the bedrooms additionally feature large windows with California shutters, and both the second and third bedrooms have double closets. These 2 rooms share a recently upgraded 4-piece washroom with a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with undermount basin, and the convenience of a linen closet right outside its door. Through a double-door entry is the incredibly spacious master suite. Featuring a turret-shaped sitting area, this beautiful bedroom also has his and her double closets, and a recently upgraded ensuite washroom with tiled finishes, a vanity with undermount basin, and a glass shower with rain and handheld showers. The main level additionally features a powder room with pedestal sink, while down a tiled hallway off the foyer are 2 separate double coat and storage closets, a laundry area with washer, dryer, and cabinetry storage, as well as a side door entry from the yard. The fully finished lower level has cozy broadloom throughout, and just off the landing is a French door entry into the personal use spaces, which include a large bedroom with a mirrored door closet, a 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor and a glass shower, as well as a home office or study area with a built-in desk, as well as storage shelves that can double as a bar if need be while entertaining. The main recreation area is quite generous in its size and is brightened with pot lighting, and offers great entertaining space with the addition of a wet bar featuring wood accents, lots of storage, a fridge, and a gas line for a stove. Walking distance to Westney Heights Public School, public transit, parks, a community center, and neighborhood shopping plazas, this home is also just a short drive to the Durham Center Plaza and Pickering Town Center Mall, Riverside and Annandale golf courses, the Ajax GO station, and access to Highway 401. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.